I made this very delicious, I don't even know what to call it, pocket bread pocket. One look and I breathe. It's meat. I don't know what it is, you guys. It's so delicious, like very yummy. Can you see the inside? Oh, mm, I'm not even kidding. It's so nice. You're seriously missing out if you haven't tried making this for your kids. I made these very delicious snacks for my children using our Golden Penny Amazing Day cereal and they really loved it. To make this in a pan, go in with some oil, minced meat, peppers, onion, tomato paste, spices, a little bit of salt, give that a good mix and go in with some meat stock, add in some finely sliced oregano or parsley and set that aside. In another bowl, pour in your Golden Penny Amazing Day cereal, add in some oregano and stir that. Now you want to get your bread, roll it a bit and then give it a round shape. Dip your bread into an egg mixture and coat it up with your Golden Penny Amazing Day cereal. Now you want to dip your bread into your already hot oil. Please make sure it's hot, and once it's golden brown, you want to get it out and cut it open like this. Then just add your filling, anything you like really. I used some cream and some lettuce. Go in with your minced meat filling and voila, you just made yourself a very delicious creamy crispy cereal bread pocket that I'm sure everyone would love. Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comments. On a more serious note, I don't think I've made anything this delicious in a very long time. However, I have a lot to do today. Today is Friday and the kids have finally gone to school. I actually made it for the kids. I want to go for my facials. I've been having a lot of issues here and there, breakout. Although I'm an acne prone girly, so it's not a new thing, but yeah. Let's go for facials. Let me show you guys what I'll be wearing. Let's quickly go. I'm already late before the kids come back from school. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this beautiful two-piece with this very big palazzo pants. Yeah, and my glasses and my bag. And we are off. No, it's okay.
A few moments later.
So we're finally done. Let's go home. Welcome back. Good morning. How are we doing? You guys, nothing beats the joy of a mom whose heart is full. Like when your children begin to excel in school, you're so happy that I don't know if there is any feeling that beats that. So my son Chilotara, my second child, his school sent me a letter that they were going to be awarding him ambassador of mathematics, and this is for African Mathematics Performance Ambassador, something like that. So at first, I was really happy, and so they asked us to come to school early. Ordinarily, I shouldn't be ready for work by this time, but I had to get ready and go with them to school because the award was to be given at the assembly. So yeah, I just finished from school, and you guys, I just want to share this beautiful milestone with you guys. I'm really happy. Like I'm so glad, I'm so grateful to God because this is one thing that we all pray for as mothers. It's very beautiful seeing your children win, and I pray that our children would always win in Jesus' name. Okay, so let me show you guys the award that we have. So this is the award of excellence presented to Ibezima Kochilotaram Havi. So this is from African Mathematics Ambassador African Union. I pray that God will continue to protect our children and continue to give us mothers, parents, the zeal, the strength, the wisdom to continue to nurture this beautiful children into beautiful creature, beautiful human beings in Jesus' name.
One eternity. One eternity later.
Welcome back. So, I and my husband we are going out on an evening outing. So, come with us. Hey guys, baby, say hi. Okay, so come with us to a birthday party. Let's go. Do you think I can make YouTube now? Okay. Or you don't want YouTube? You didn't post for YouTube.
Another game when they fetch water, so I'm not at that. I want to sleep alone. Nobody should disturb me. You should move fast so that I should move.